Sorry, guys. I was just fixing it. Tune it a bit. My bad. Let's go. So today for the reason, yeah, these are the questions that I sorted out from all these that I need to solve to revise it. Okay, I have done it. I have done it once. I just need to wait. Let's find the square root of the number. Okay. Hmm. Positive value, not positive value. I guess this is the same question. Just repeat the question. Yeah, that's a perfect question. Okay. So, given a positive integer n, find the square root of n. Given a positive integer n, find the square root of n. If n is not a perfect square, if n is not a perfect square, then return the floor value. Okay. Floor value of any number is the greatest integer, which is less than or equal to that. Okay. Okay. We need to find the square root of a number, and if the square root is not available, we need to return the floor of the greatest integer that is less than or equal to that number. Okay. To that number. Okay. Instead, okay. What would be the approach? It is a binary search questions. Could it be like if there's a 4, square root will always be half. So we can create an array like 0, comma 1, comma 2. And then we can perform the binary search in it. And we can multiply it to see if it is there, it's okay. If it isn't there, it is like if it and solution. I should yeah, it should work on the basis. So what my intention behind it is, I'm thinking of like we know that the square root of a number is always half. You're getting my point? Is always is less than half. You're getting my point? Less than half of the number. Like if it is 4, it will be 2 or less than 2. And if it is 11, it will be 11. What is a half? And then 4.5. Sorry, 5.5. It will be always be less than 5.5 or less than 5.5. If it is 1, it will be 1 or 0. Getting my point? Yeah. So it will be half or less than half. So what we can do is we can create an array of the numbers from 0 to the half that number, and then we can just multiply across and see if the solution lies onto the website, like binary search and answers. This could be the approach. Let's code it out and let's see if it works. Guys, it's like 6:40, so I'm just feeling that shit. And, The simple one is also I'm not liking. Yeah, let's make it offering. Well, and now fifth mid. Okay, okay. What it is was I think the number and if sticky something, you know, like if it is 11, what we did is we made it 5.5, okay, and divided 5 and divided by 2 and divided by 2. Okay, it became 2. Now we'll see it became 2. Now we'll see if mid stepper equals to, so let me it into mid. Stepper equals to m. Okay, okay, okay. If mid into mid is less than m is less than m. Basically, if mid comes to be like in the case of 1, yeah, and in the case of 1, I will do it n by 2 is 0.5. Let's see. It will be 0. I will do 0. No, it just telling not God. I have to take a condition, one more condition, that before if n is double equals to 0, if you can run, if, sorry, my bad, right, if n still equals 0, return is 0. Okay, now if met into met is what we just okay. If met sentiment is we might think if it is less then it's a little bit then we're gonna make that which to mid first one mid will be mid means it will become true and true because mid is not why you are taking mid it is fine. Simple binary search approach will talk between. Let's see if it does it will not it doesn't and it is the menu. Why errors. But there was a thing that like the thing is 11 and 3, it will never be there. So what are you gonna do? What you're gonna do? Mm, and if it is less than mid, no guys, that's coach. I'm not just giving up, but it's it's like I need to laugh a lot. Actually, this was the thing I was thinking. You know, I should be learning an accept and study a week. Actually, this is the correct approach. This is the correct approach. Can we think of another way to compare mid square if n is not actually computing? Another way of another way to compare mid square and without actually computing the Okay, everything is fine. It's right. Hmm. So, let's just clarifying. So the it will be just this. Let's go. Yes, it will correct. It's to net And one more thing, I need to keep on function here is notice if let if s if s q card d is less than net if sqrt is less than net less and no sqrt is less than net into net. Yeah. It was fairly easy question, but I took a lot of time solving it because I was not really acquainted with the binary search on answers because I was doing it after a long period. Let's see another one. Tackle it. Entry. Uh, yeah, and I was not able to think about it. It's, it's, let's see. Well, it's still not checking. That net is less than equals to. Okay, okay. Good approach. Good approach. Yeah, it's better approach. When revising my answers, you memorize the first time in the head. It's really sure to the calculation work. Yeah, it's a good thing. Yeah, I mean, okay. You know what's the what the problem is? It was easy to equation and this is the middle equation. Yes. Let's see. Find the nth root of it. You are given two numbers. You are given two numbers n and m. Okay. The task is to find nth root of m. Okay. If the root is not integer, then return negative. Negative. And like the input is the n is 3 and n is 3, I need to find third root of 8. 8 that is 2. Range. What would be the approach? The most sensible thing which I'm again getting is that root will lie between 0 to that m. Yeah. And my task now is to find a mid and set it as high here. But the thing is, if it is given n into 3, I need to do into mid 3 times. Now, if it is 24, that would be like 1 minute to do that. 1 minute to do that, or I need to use mathematic function of square. Now, that's even not a good thing to do in mind, I guess. There should be some another approach. We were given two numbers, okay. The task is to find and fill the value. Okay. It should not be one. If n equals to 3 and n equals to a, will be 2 obviously. How does it? How? What if we create an array from 0 to a? Problem which I'm getting is if what will happen if n is like 45, 100, 400. What will happen in that case? For loop going up to 100. Basically, having a for loop will make solution like log n square, right? And we don't want that. So we want a better solution. There's a binary search, I know that, but hmm, hmm, okay, okay. N will be is less than a constraint. Okay, constraint is there, and will be less than a constraint. We can do, but still it will be for. Okay, let's try it out. Right, let's do. And what's the 0 and right equals to n no okay. Yeah, idea. No, it should be. That's what it should be. Mhm. Mhm. Right. That equals to mhm. 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 Equals to right. That is the no. Like this was then equals to right and vectors which is equals to right. And my bad. Yeah, this so if you want to know was unknown, the task is to find and filter and but it does not include it in the back one. So on the side of it, now and near the question, near press right, that will if the kingdoms I need one more polygraph. That's the case. I'm just asking. And for this question, for my is Captain Travel. Gotcha, gotcha, gotcha.